Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss about for loop. For loop is an entry control loop. It consisting of three parts. One is installation part, another one is testing part, another one is updation part. So in the installation part we are going to initialize the loop with either 0 or 1. So then we are going to check the condition, test expression. If condition is true, it will enter into the loop and it will execute the body of the loop. And once body of loop is executed and it is updated, the value will be updated. Once it is updated, again it will check the test expression, and if condition is true, it will again enter into the loop. So this is will be done until the condition is false. Once the condition is test expression is false, it will come out of the loop. Here we have a simple flow chart how it will be done. So here it is an initializing expression. So you are going to insert the value, it will check the condition. If condition is true, we are going to execute the loop statements, and again here updation part, the value will be updated, then again it will be tested. If condition is false, it will going to terminate the loop. And here we are having some rules to be remembered. So whenever we are using an for loop, so here the initializing statement is executed for only once, and the test expression will be evaluated depending upon the value. So we will check the expression. If condition is false, the loop will be terminated. If condition is true, that loop will be executed, the body of that particular loop, and this process will be continued until the test expression is false. And here we are using a small example. In this example, I want to print a values from 1 to 5. So here I can use one particular example. So I am using a value. How many values I want to execute? 1 to 5. So in a loop, I am going to initialize I value with 1, and I am going to check the condition. So initially I value equal to 1 here, I less than equal to 5 is the condition, and here we have an updation part. So 1 less than equal to 5, condition true. Then we are going to print the I value. What is I value here? 1 is going to print. Now I value is incremented, it will becomes 2. Now I value is 2. 2 less than equal to 5, condition is true. Now we are going to print I value as 2. Again I value is incremented, now it will becomes 3. Then I value will be 3 now. So 3 less than equal to 5, condition true. Then we are going to print 3 value. Then I value is incremented, it will becomes 4. Now I value is 4. 4 less than equal to 5, condition true. Then it will print I value as 4. Then again I value will be incremented, it will becomes 5. Now I value is 5. We are going to check the condition. 5 less than equal to 5, condition is true. Then here I value is going to print as 5. Now I value is updated, it will become 6. Now I value is 6. 6 less than equal to 5, condition false. Now we are going to come out of the loop, and it will come out of the main function. So this is how we can able to print values from 1, 2, 3, 1 to 5 by using the loops. And here we can take a part. So how we can able to execute a loop? Suppose whenever we are using more than one loop. So the concept of using more than one loop is called as a nested for loops. In this nested for loop concept, so here we are using one loop within the another loop. So the outer loop is called as the first loop is called as an outer loop, and the loop within the outer loop is called as an inner loop. So here whenever you are going to execute the statements, the concept of nested loops is used to print values like. So whenever I want to print a value in the form of 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, or suppose you want to print values like asterisk, 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 asterisk. So like this. So whenever you want to print the values in the form of a pattern, so where we can able to use these nested loops. So whenever we are going to use this nested loop concept, so we are having a loop within the another loop. So outer loop and the inner loop. So whenever the inner loop is condition is false, then we are going to check the outer loop condition. Even the outer loop condition is false, then it will come out of the loop. When it is come out of the entire loop. So here I want to use this particular nested loop concept to make how we can able to do pattern example. So here, this is our example. Here I want to print a pattern like 1 2 2 3 3 3 4 4 4 4 and 5 5 5 5 5. So how we are going to print this particular pattern? So in this I am going to use I is a variable where it is used in the outer loop, it is used for row, and j is another variable where it is used in the inner loop. So this is used to print the values like 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 like that. So we are going to say that I and j are the index variable or a standard variables. So in this example I am going to take one particular program. So in this program we are going to declare three variables I, j and rows, and here we are going to enter the how many number of rows you want to print. Then the first we are going to take a loop I equal to 1, I less than equal to row, and I we are going to check if I value is less than the row value, then it will enter into the inner loop. In the inner loop we are going to check the condition j equal to 1, j less than equal to I. I am going to compare the j value with I. If j value is less than equal to I, then it will enter into the loop and print the I value. If condition is false, it will come out of the loop and we will go to the new line, and again I value will be incremented. We are going to check the condition. So this process will be continued until I value is less than I value is greater than the row size. So here we will take this particular example and I will trace the code. So here in this example I want to print 5 value. So row size is 5. I am taking the row size as 5. So see here, initially I value equal to 1. Initially I value equal to 1. Right. So whenever you want to execute this particular loop, so I am going to take a condition. So first I am taking I value equal to 1, I less than equal to 5, and I am going to update I value. So 1 less than equal to 5, condition true. So here I am going to enter into the jth loop. J value equal to 1 now. So j less than equal to I is the condition. So 1 less than equal to 1, condition is true. Now I am going to print I value. So what is I value now? I equal to 1. I can print 1. And now j value is incremented. J value is incremented. So now it will becomes 2. So 2 less than equal to 1. Condition fails. It is come out of the loop. Now I value will be incremented. I value becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition true. It will again enter into the loop. And j value is initialized to 1 in this particular case. And you can see j equal to 1. J less than equal to I. Now I value is 2. 1 less than equal to 2. Condition true. Right. Now it is going to print I value. What is I value now? I value equal to 2. Now j value is incremented. So j value will be 2 now. 2 less than equal to 2. Condition true. And again you are going to print I value. What is I value now? I value is 2. Now j value will be incremented. So j value will be 3 now. 3 less than equal to 2. Condition false. It will come out of that particular loop. Now again I value will be incremented. Now I value will be 3 now. So 3 less than equal to 5. Condition true. And it will enter into the inner loop. J equal to 1. So 1 less than equal to 3. Condition is true. So it will print the value of I. What is value of I? 3. So again j value will be incremented. So j value will becomes 2. 2. 2 less than equal to 3. Condition true. And it will print I value as 3. Again j value will be incremented. It will becomes 3. 3 less than equal to 3. Condition true. Now it will going to print 3. So whenever j value is incremented, it will becomes 4. 4 less than equal to 3. Condition false. Condition false. Then again we will come out of the inner loop. Now I value will becomes 4. So whenever I value will becomes 4, so here what I will do, see, so I value is 4 now. So 4 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Again it will enter into the inner loop. Now j value equal to 1. 1 less than equal to I. I is 4. Condition true. It will print I value as 4. And again j value will be incremented. Now it will becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 4. Condition true. And again 4 value is going to print. Now again j value will be 3. Whenever it is incremented, it will becomes 3. Now j is 3. 3 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Now we are going to print I value as 4. Again j value will be incremented. Now it will becomes 4. 4 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Again I value will be printed, that is 4. Now whenever j value becomes 5, so 5 less than equal to 4. Condition false. We are going to come out of the loop. Now outer loop value will becomes 5. So what is outer loop value? 5. Now I value equal to 5. So 5 less than equal to 5. Condition true. It will enter into the jth inner loop, that is j value is initialized to 1. So 1 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Now it will print I value. I value is 5 now. Again j value will be incremented. Now whenever j value is incremented, it becomes 2. 2 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Now it will print I value as 5. Again j value will increment it will becomes 3. Now j value is 3. 3 less than equal to 4. Condition true. Now it will print I value as 5. Again j value will increment it will becomes 4. Now j equal to 4. 4 less than equal to 4. Sorry, 4 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Now we are going to print I value as 5. Again j value is incremented, it becomes 5. Now j equal to 5. 5 less than equal to 5. Condition true. Again I value is going to print as 5. Now j value is incremented, it becomes 6. 6 less than equal to 5. Condition false. It will come out of the loop. And finally I will be incremented. Now I value becomes 6. 6 less than equal to 5. Condition false. It will come out of the outer loop. Now finally we are going to print the output as like this: 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5. Whenever we take the row size as 5, so this is how we are going to print the values. So where we can able to implement nested loops to print the patterns. So this is one particular pattern I am discussing about. We can print many other patterns. We can print stars. We can take 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Any pattern we can able to print by using the nested loops. By using nested loops, we can able to store the values into the two-dimensional array also. So this is how where we can able to implement nested loops concept in C. Thank you.